Hi guys, today we are going to travel to Northern Ireland. You'll see a legendary place of rare beauty, the Giant's Causeway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1986. Attention please, visiting the Giant's Causeway is entirely free. Time to take a closer look at this special place, and I'll tell you 10 amazing facts about it. The Giant's Causeway consists of about 40,000 interlocking basalt columns. They were formed by volcanic eruption around 60 million years ago. The lava cooled at rapid speed, breaking into distinctive shapes. Guess what? Tourists used to be able to buy Giant's Causeway stones. In 2010, 7 large stones that were said to have been from the causeway sold at auction for nearly $24,000. The Giant's Causeway has been featured in multiple movies: A Transylvanian Mountain, Dracula Untold, 2014, as part of the Minotaur's Maze in Your Highness, 2011, and as itself in Hellboy 2nd. Do you feel a lack of energy? I know exactly what you need. You need me as your cheerful tour guide. Walking on the basalt columns is a truly unique experience that will make you feel like you're exploring another world. The way the columns fit together like puzzle pieces is truly remarkable. I'm really curious. Are you a fan of an English rock band Led Zeppelin? Guess what? Their album 1973, Houses of the Holy, was created with the photos taken at the Giant's Causeway. If you're a person that loves to watch seabirds, this is a great place to visit. It has some excellent spots where you can sit and wait for the seabirds to land. In addition, some rare plants that thrive in this region can't be found anywhere else on the planet. The scenery surrounding the Giant's Causeway is absolutely breathtaking, from the cliffs and bays to the sweeping coastal views. But it's not just the natural beauty that makes this location fascinating. The Giant's Causeway is steeped in Irish mythology, with legends suggesting that the columns were created by the giant Finn McCool. This mythical story adds a layer of intrigue and wonder to the site that you won't find anywhere else. So what are you waiting for? come and discover that magical place for yourself.